Okay, we are here at Mr. Harold Kreis house in Watchung. Going to do a repair attempt right here. This is the shingle we're going to be taking out, and we're going to be replacing it with a new one. It just popped out the nails. Yeah, they rip right through. Old one, new shingle. Gonna try and put it in. So I've lined it up in an appropriate spot. If you could just come here and take a look. The exposure on this end, if you can come see on this side, lines up perfectly on this side. And then on this end, the exposure is 3 inches too wide because the shingle on Mr. Kreis's roof is currently no longer made. Therefore, this 36 3/4 is no longer made. So the only one that's available is a 39 inch. And also, when I'm going to nail these in, this adhesive will stick to the granules on the existing shingle and not the underlayment underneath. So at this point, I'm going to say this repair cannot be done because the shingle just does not work.